Hi, this is a video on a new Rubik's Cube that I bought off of eBay. It came in from China. Only took 15 days though. As you can see, it's a white one. It's very nice. It's very smooth. I think the lube on this one is actually white lithium. It's probably gonna buy some of that pretty soon. I use simple silicone on this, a Toys R Us one customized with a car decal. It kinda locks up a little. Doesn't have as much give. This one has a lot of give to where you can even just flip the corner. It's very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna mess this up real fast. I know I'm not doing a pattern. This is usually how I mess it up. Okay. Alright, well, I guess I'll start. I am actually using a new method called the Fredrich Method. It's very fast of the videos that I've seen, and I haven't memorized all the algorithms quite yet, but once I do that, I'm hoping that I can get pretty good and fast with this. And there you go. I don't know what that time was, but that was a little fast. Yeah, that's just a video, and just to give you an example of how fast it is, it's very reliable. The only flaw that I have with it though is sometimes I'll be doing a few things really fast and a piece will pop out actually. Sorry. So, thank you for watching.